Very good morning, Fabio here, and welcome back to another daily market outlook. Now, before I dive into EURUSD and the other major dollar pairs, and of course gold, a very happy holidays to everyone if you are celebrating. Wishing you all the best and a lot of love and happiness these days. And without further ado, let's dive into EURUSD because the markets are moving a little bit slow, guys. As we can see yesterday, the daily closed a little bit indecisive, let's put it that way. At the moment, I'm just waiting for the EURUSD to make another move. Here on the daily time frame, not much has changed. Preferably, I would now want to see another inside bar closing today, so just a candle closure like this, and then tomorrow maybe another push up, taking out that high. This then becomes the fractal low, and then see a push down, break of the fractal low, retracements in towards what is then your buy up for the sell down, and then look for a sell opportunity. Now, this for myself is the ideal setup that I'm pretty much just waiting for. For now, the 4-hour time frame is consolidating since yesterday. Pretty much New York session, it hasn't moved. Let's see if we get some more volume in today, but not expecting too much. Overall, the 4-hour fractal structure is also still bullish as well. So I'm just going to be waiting for my setup to form. Preferably, again, guys, we would just want to see a push up one more time this week and then get that shift in the overall market structure to then look for a short. Now, if we already start selling off, then just wait for that daily fractal low and that 4-hour fractal low to break, then look for the retracement, and then we will get in a short as well. So those are pretty much the two trades that I'm lining up here on EURUSD. Furthermore, just bearish overall, not much more to say. Going into the dollar index obviously also moving pretty slow overall. What I'm just expecting is, again, a further upside from this thing back up into 109,500 pretty much. Here on the weekly time frame, we can see that we're currently breaking out above this area of resistance slash liquidity. If this was really such a strong liquidity high, I would have expected a deeper follow through in towards the downside, which has now failed to happen. For now, this area of, let's say, the sub for the buy, which is your weekly demand zone, should just push the market up higher, at least again into that 109,500. Going into AUDUSD next. AUDUSD still has that weekly low open. As you guys can see, that is still my target for this pair and still waiting for that to get hit. Going into the daily time frame, again, not much. As we can see, we have been consolidating since Thursday. I am still waiting for this thing to either push up and form a new area of supply. Or a new area of supply, let's say. Let's just see it push up higher in towards that supply zone, and then from there we will be looking for a beautiful short opportunity. Okay, so let's see another push up and then look for that short on the 4-hour change of character. Now, what we can see here on the lower time frame is that the market is just consolidating, so not much to do here, waiting for better price action. Going into GBPUSD and then obviously NZDUSD and gold. GU moved down nicely yesterday from that area of supply over here, which we highlighted in yesterday's video, go down in towards the 1 hour, and we did in fact see a break of this area of demand. So as you can see, the overall order flow kind of like remained intact. We can see the push down, the retracement, the push down, the retracement, another push down. So for myself, I am still only interested in looking for sells here on GU. The overall daily order flow is still holding, and I do expect lower prices to be created very, very soon. Now, ideally, we would see another push up, of course, break this high and then form, let's say, a 4-hour fractal low, and then see another push down again and then get in on that supply zone. That is definitely preferable and what I would like to see. So only looking for those shorts if we come back up one more time and then take out the high and then sell off, or if we break the fractal low here on the 4-hour, then I'll also look to get in on the retracement. Going into NZDUSD, we can see that NZDUSD is moving very similar to AUDUSD. Also very slow movements as of now. For a ideal setup to take place or to form, I need the 4-hour fractal structure to shift, and for now it is still bullish in between the high that I just drew in and obviously this low over here. So only looking at NU shorts if we break the 4-hour fractal low and then trade in line with the daily and the 4-hour. That is what I'm looking for, but as we can see, volume is still very, very low, so not expecting too much for now. Going into gold, last of all, gold was actually one of the more beautiful pairs or setups this week. As we can see here on the daily, we made a connection with the daily imbalance over here after seeing a daily bearish change of character. That means that we then retraced into where? Into pretty much not actually the 50% mark, which I would have preferred to see, but we did retrace in towards the overall supply zone. Go down in towards the 4 hour, and then on the 4 hour, you can see that we're now inside this area of supply. So this is your 4 hour supply zone. This is a valid area for our supply. Why? Well, because after coming into that 4 hour supply zone, or that daily supply zone over here to the left, it provided us with a change of character. Therefore, this is now a valid supply zone to potentially look for shorts from, and then take out these equal lows over here. So that's actually the only setup that I'm looking at for today. Let's keep an eye on it. We've grabbed internal liquidity now over here, which is also nice. So now let's see if we can get some bearish momentum, wait for at least this low to break, and then let's see if we can get in on a short potentially. But again, guys, we need the 1 hour to flip bearish. Only then will I be looking to get into a short. So that's it for today. A little bit of a simple and easy market breakdown. Not much to say. Obviously, everybody's celebrating Christmas, so markets are a little bit slow. Hope you are taking some time off to reevaluate where you are currently in your trading career. If you need any support or guidance, you guys know how to reach me. Click on the link down below in the description and have an amazing day, guys. Thanks.